Hello everyone, I'm Jossa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be trying out this Kiss Magnetic eyeliner. Yes, so it's eyeliner and falsies with magnets on it. So there's 5 small magnets attached to the falsies. So I'm gonna try this one today. I've never used this before, but by trying this today, I'll be putting my glasses. Yes, because most of the time I'm wearing glasses and I want to be glamour underneath those glasses. Yeah. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna go outside and get some grocery. How's it feel while I'm driving? And also walking outside, because this is the perfect day to try this on where I live right now. Okay, give me where I live right now. You can see how windy it is. There you go, how windy it is here, and there's a snow warning. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk in the block and check how is it. Okay, but without glasses. So I'm trying it with glasses while driving in the car, getting some stuff, and then come home, remove the glasses and walk outside, because it's fun to try something new. So I'm gonna try it today. Okay, lashes is there now. Everything is all in place. I have to trim it the front because it's too long, but still, look at that. They're still there, holding their life. But now I'm gonna put my glasses. So I'm on my driveway and I'm on my way to get some fruits and vegetables. So I'm gonna let you know how's these lashes will last. It's so windy and snowing here right now. Look at my lashes, the other one. It's so, oh, that one is sticking up. I think I did something wrong in that one, but that one looks very nice for now. But okay, I think I gotta fix this. Oh my god, I think it's me. It's not the lashes, but let me fix it. Oh my god. Okay guys, now the lashes is fixed, but it doesn't like getting squeezed in the glasses. My god. Oh, my hair. It doesn't like getting squeezed in in my glasses. But I said we'll just do experiment. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. I'll see you in a bit, guys. Okay, I'm here right now outside Fortino's. Yep, outside Fortino's, and look what happened again. This one is coming off now. Oh yes it is. Oh my god, came off. And that one, it looks like it's still, oh my goodness. Okay, this is not fun at all. Well, you know what guys, when I was driving, it's actually very pokey. You know where the part where I cut it here, because the bun is too long, I have to trim it. It's gonna be look so bad. With that, let me look in the empty. Oh my god, look at that. Oh no. Okay, there's one, and I'll try to remove this one. I'm not gonna wear this inside. How about that? I'll just remove it. Oh, that feels better, really. My god. I'll put in a tissue, and then maybe when I get back home, I'll try it outside. Maybe it will be better when it's outside without the glasses. But yeah, definitely not for glasses. My god, it's so sad. I'm back from my grocery and I'm going to put it back again. Okay, now I'm outside. We're gonna go for a walk. Ready, Sam?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so snowy.
Is it? No! That's windy! Oh my god!
I feel bad for the dog.
See my hair? It's flying. That's how windy it is. See my bra? It's the bra. It's getting cold. We're getting snow between the lashes and my eyelid. Look at all the snow going in my lashes. Oh my god. Yes. Okay guys, I'm back from my walk and I think this is the right time to tell you guys what is my thought about the Kiss magnetic eyeliner. So first I wanna discuss what I like about it. So it's easy to use, it's easy to apply, it's very affordable, a very affordable price. It costs $14.97 Canadian plus tax. The weight, I can't say it's lightweight. Maybe some other people think it's lightweight, but for me it's just okay. It's just okay. I can still feel some weight on it, but it's not really bothering me, but it's still, you know, sometimes I'm kind of like, ugh, especially like when I'm outside, I can feel it. Now I'm going to share what I don't like about it. So it says on the package that it lasts up to 16 hours. So I didn't use mine for 16 hours. I'd say mine, I have it almost like 2 hours, but I'd say it doesn't last that long. I mean, this eye lasts long, but this eye, I don't know why it didn't last long. The lashes is too long for the eyelid. Yeah, when you say too long, it is too long. You have to trim it. So there's five magnet on it. So when you trim it at the front, or either, which one you want to do, the front or the other end of the lashes, so you'll still lose one magnet. So you have to trim it because it's really long. So when I trim it, this is what happened. It's just sticking out right there. It says on the package that it's wind resistant, and I agree. It is wind resistant because it is quite windy there outside when we were walking, and it stay put in there, except this one that it sticking out, but it really stay put, this one. But I've noticed that when I'm walking, it's windy, it's like it's really holding on my eyelid, so it's really uncomfortable feeling, and it's just so uncomfortable. But when you're outside, you can feel like something is sticking and holding itself there. Ah, don't let me go. Kind of like that, yeah. But yeah, it is wind resistant. All in all, I said I'm not gonna use it again, and I'm not gonna buy it again, okay? And there you go guys. I hope you like this video. As always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.